Well, today I've got some Carolina Reaper wing sauce, and I've got some wings cooking on the Pit Boss. But before we even try them on the wings, I just wanted to try these on a potato chip. Welcome back to the Okie Smokin podcast. Now, this is a bonus episode, also available in video on YouTube. And on our next video tomorrow on YouTube, you're going to see the Carolina Reaper wings that I've done. And you'll also be able to hear me talk about it on next podcast. And while we do the intro, you can see the wings if you're on the YouTube version. I'll show them to you in the Pit Boss.
Time to fire up that grill. From smoked pork to smash burgers, outdoor cooking just tastes better. This is the Okie Smokin podcast. And here's your host, John Berry.
And I do have my co-host, lovely wife Dolores, here next to us. How are you doing today?
All right, how are you doing?
Oh, we're doing good. Just doing a little bonus episode on the podcast today. So that's all fun and cool. And so let's go ahead. What I want to do is take this, and we're just going to add a little bit of that, and we're going to put it in a potato chip. Which, by the way, for you YouTubers that follow me, or YouTube people that follow me, we do have a podcast. Episode 21 is coming out Monday. You can find us on Apple. You can find us on Spotify. Even Samsung Podcast.
Can I smell it?
Yep.
You'll have to hand it to me.
You want to lick it?
No. How many carbs does that have in it?
I'll have to look. Go ahead and take a smell of that while I go ahead and check and see if it says the carb intake on here.
No, it doesn't smell spicy.
Total carbohydrates is 1 gram.
Of course.
You can have it. Wouldn't that be keto?
That's keto, yeah.
So,
how many sugars does it say?
For 1 tablespoon, total fat 1%. I don't see any sugars or anything.
Oh,
this is it
okay.
right here. We got this at the U.S. Foods. U.S. Foods. What's it? The chef store right here in Oklahoma City. I bought a half gallon of it. I'm going to try that on some ribs too.
This smells good.
Let me
doesn't
see what it
smell
smells like.
spicy.
Yeah.
It smells sweet.
I don't know. Maybe it's not that hot.
It smells sweet.
Yeah, I'm not real sure. Like I said, the wings, we got them cooking.
Dang, it makes me want to taste it.
And that's going to come out sometime tomorrow on the YouTube channel of me trying the wings. And I just thought, let's go ahead and try the sauce on the podcast, and made a little video version for you guys so you could actually see me do it also. So I'm getting it. Now this is, look at that. Get that all on there.
Oops,
Should I add more?
No.
You don't think so?
I think that's enough.
I
would try it.
Someone want to go bring me a beer?
No, you gotta try it without something to drink just yet.
All right, here we go. So this is the Carolina Reaper right here. We're going to see just...
Wait, before you try it, after you try it and you tell me that you need something to drink, I'll go get you one real quick. Maybe.
She's going to make me suffer. It's going to take her a while. So it's not a whole lot. Right there it is. That is on the chip.
It does smell good, though.
It does. Here we go. You want to try one?
I wish I could have a chip, but I can't.
All right, well. I'm also, by the way, the only one trying the wings, so go figure.
Yeah. You're crunching. Is it hot?
Nothing yet.
Uh-oh.
No cuts. Just going straight with it. Okay. Chips down. Let's wait and see. Got a real good flavor.
Does it taste sweet? Because it smells sweet.
Got an excellent flavor, actually. You know?
Oops.
I'm going to say the heat's building a little bit. Not over the top yet. It's continuing to build. But that seems bearable. I don't know how it's going to be when I get a whole wing on there. This is not, I'm not running
Yeah,
to,
because you're actually going to be having the sauce
I'm going to do a whole
on
wing,
it.
and we'll see how that is. Like I said, that'll be in the video when we get it released tomorrow. But I would watch. I'll pour some of this. I'll have another chip.
It does smell good, though. Maybe I'll do my
Look at that.
finger.
Yeah, here,
Like, dip it.
try. You can tell them. I've had a lot of this that's ridiculous.
You love hot stuff. And I like hot stuff, too.
My
but
taste
sometimes,
buds probably are like worn off my palate or something. It's used to this.
All right, I got it on my finger.
Now,
Can you
she's
see
got
it?
some on
I
her
don't know
finger.
if you can tell.
Yeah, go ahead and take a lick. Tell me what you think. Tell the audience what you think. And if you're listening to this on the podcast, in the show notes, you can see where it says send Dolores and John, or John and Dolores a text. You click that. You can send us a text, and we'll shout you out on our next episode. Or you could tell me, do you like Carolina Reaper sauce? And if you're watching this on YouTube, just leave a comment below. Let us know.
It is spicy, but it's not bad.
That is not
It actually tastes pretty good.
That is not over the top hot. Now, I think it's going to be the more you eat it. Here we go. I think it's going to start to intensify.
It tastes sweet, though, too. It has a sweet taste to it.
Yeah.
It tastes pretty good, though. I'm not going to lie. That tastes good.
So, really good.
It's not where I have to grab a drink and, like, down it
No.
or anything like that.
And I have eaten
Because I thought that's what it was going to be.
I was a little nervous about it because I didn't know. It's definitely hot, and if you don't like hot, you may not like this. And the second one has built the heat up my throat and everything. It's building up.
Dang. That
But-
would be good on the brisket right there.
Oh, yes. Yeah, like I said,
Paint it on.
I'm going to do some ribs with this. We're going to cook some ribs, and that'll be on
I'll
the
eat
channel.
that
And rub that all on it. I think that'll be good.
this
Brisket.
weekend.
Maybe some chicken.
Yeah.
Oh, some chicken thighs or something. Cook those.
That sounds
Oh,
good.
my gosh. There's so much. I bought a half gallon, and I was a little worried that it was going to be, how am I going to go through this? But they have that mixed well to where it's not over the top hot.
No, it's not.
No.
It tastes really good.
Yeah, some people may say it is, but it tastes really, really good.
It did taste good.
I think it's a winner. I really like it. I'd buy it again.
Yeah. Yeah.
What was it, about $15? I can't remember. Oh, Mike about fell. But yeah, so anyway, that's our look at this. It's not over spicy, but if you want to see the video, check us out tomorrow. We'll get the video out. Listen to the podcast next Monday.
Thank you for listening to the Okie Smokin Podcast. Episodes drop every Monday. Don't forget to follow this podcast, or you might miss out on some delicious creations. You can also find us on our website, okiesmokin.com, and on YouTube and other social media platforms. Until next time, keep firing up that grill.